All right. All rise.
All right.
All right. At this point in time, Justice Black will be coming in to represent us. Please hold your applause. Thank you.
Good morning.
That's your seat.
Good morning. You may be seated.
Justice Black, would you, I guess, open us today, and then we will bring our attorneys up for their opening statements.
Good morning. As you all know, I'm Judge Black today, not just Ms. Black. I will be here listening to arguments, concerns coming from our 8th grade students. The court is now open.
Okay. Our case side, well, Your Honor, our case side includes Ariel Sharpley as our star witness. India Dove is our second witness. Ms. Kayla Bush is our third witness, and Taylor Wheeler is our fourth. And myself, or as referred to as Mr. Bivins, the prosecutor. Good afternoon. My name is Damani Bivins, and I'm the prosecutor in this case. It is my pleasure to represent the people of this class. On January 26th, the defendant in this case dressed down with the authorization of an adult. The evidence contains statements, confessions, arguments, and written reports. At the conclusion of this case, we will ask for a verdict of guilty. Your Honor, I will now call my star witness, Ms. Ariel Sharpley, to the stand.
Ariel Sharpley, please go to the stand.
Before you go, she gets her opening statements first.
Azaria's up.
Today, Your Honors, I will be going against the case the prosecution has made because I feel that we shouldn't be punished for other people's behavioral actions. Therefore, why should we be punished for other individuals' actions when some individuals didn't do nothing wrong? My star witness will be Kayla Johnson, my second witness will be Brancy Wingfield, and my third witness will be Jalen Jones, and then my fourth coming witness will be Mr. J. Today, I have evidence to prove why we should have dressed down and the individuals who did wrong last week shouldn't.
Thank you.
Your Honor, I will now call my star witness to the stand, Ms. Ariel Sharpley.
Hello, Ariel. Can you raise your right hand? Do you swear to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth, so help you, Ariel Sharpley?
Yeah.
Right hand raised. All right, here we go. You do? Thank you.
Okay. Ms. Ariel Sharpley, what happened on the day of January 26, 2017?
On January 26th, me and Jalen left early to go to the bus, and then I was informed that I had a dress down pass, and then when I came the next day in uniform, I was informed that I did not have a dress down pass.
What was the original agreement for the ability to dress down?
When you have a dress down pass, you are allowed to dress down, and if you do not have one, then you are not allowed to. And the rules, the dress down privilege for the whole class.
Did the defendant follow the agreement?
No,
How?
because the student dressed down without asking an adult or teacher.
On the day of January 26, 2017, why didn't you follow the rule?
Because I thought that I did, but I didn't, and I should have asked an adult.
Does that affect the class or just the offender?
It affects the class because now the class won't be able to dress down for 5 weeks.
Ms. Sharpley, you may now exit the stand.
Thank you.
Thank you, Ariel. You still have some more witnesses. Call your next witness, Mr. Bivins.
I will now call my second witness to the stand. Your Honor, please identify yourself.
I'm India Dove.
Okay, India, can you please come up? For the record, this is India Dove. India, can you raise your right hand? Do you solemnly swear to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth, so help me, Ms. Black?
I do.
Thank you. Your witness.
Okay. What do you think about the defendant that dressed down without authorization?
I think she should have followed directions.
Okay. Do you think it's fair for us as a class cannot dress down?
Sort of, yes, no.
How?
Because, like, she did it on her own, so the whole class shouldn't suffer.
What about the agreement that was made since the dress down was created? Was that fair?
Yeah.
Thank you. We will now exit the stand.
Thank you. Next witness, Mr. Bivins.
I would like to call my third witness to the stand, Your Honor, Ms. Kayla Bush.
Ms. Bush. Please raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth to help you, Ms. Black?
Yes.
Thank you. Your witness.
On January 25th, did everyone get the authorization to dress down?
No.
What caused that?
What had caused it was because a couple of individuals in the classroom came to school not in a proper uniform.
Would you recommend we turn the dress down passes to a staff member on the day that stated of the dress down?
Yes.
How would that help?
It would help because, so, like, the kids that did not get one will get in trouble.
Okay. What do you have to do to receive a dress down pass?
Not get any warnings and be good in class.
So with behavior being negative, it will affect you
Yes.
with your ability to dress down?
Yes.
What if, for instance, someone is good for 3 days, but on the 4th day they misbehave? Will they still get a pass?
No.
You may not exit the stand.
Thank you. Any more witnesses, Mr. Bivins?
Yes. I have a question.
Yes, sir.
Should I present the evidence?
Let's call your next witness first, and then we'll present evidence.
Okay. Your Honor, I will now call my final witness to the stand, Taylor Wheeler. Please identify yourself. Taylor Wheeler.
Taylor Wheeler, you sit right here. Raise your right hand. I, Taylor Wheeler, promise to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth, so help me, Ms. Black. Yes, your witness.
On the day of January 26, 2017, why did you dress down without permission?
Because on Thursday, one of my friends had told me I can dress down, so I decided to come the next day with dress down.
Okay. Do you think us in the class shouldn't dress down because of a few individuals?
No.
Why?
Because I would say that some people, like, they did on their own, so I guess, like, the rest of the class should not suffer.
What consequence did we get because of a few individuals?
We get 5 weeks of not dressing down.
Did that happen because of the situation that happened of that day?
Yes.
Nothing further, Your Honor.
Thank you. People of the court, I will please request that you refrain from speaking in the courtroom. If we play the tape back and we hear that you are talking during this courtroom session, you may have consequences. We do not speak in a court of law. Does everyone understand that?
Yes.
ma'am. Thank you.
Yes, Your Honor.
Next.
Okay. I'd like to call Ariel Sharpley to the stand.
Ariel Sharpley, come back up. You are already sworn in, so I will not swear in anyone unless you have not been up here. Okay? So you're still under oath, Ariel, which means you are required to tell the whole truth. Thank you.
So, Ariel, as I heard you say, you said that for your actions that the whole class is being punished, right?
Yes.
So, why are we being punished because you decided to dress down?
Because that was Mr. J's decision.
Okay, so you're trying to tell me if you robbed a bank and none of us knew about it, it's our fault too as well? So why is it that we are getting punished and not just you?
Because that's Mr. J's decision and other students just not to.
Okay, so you're trying to tell me, for example, if Jaheem or Cyrus or Malachi decide to dress down, that we all got to come in dress code the next day because they decided to dress down. That's not really fair.
Well, it was the agreement for us we had to follow.
But ain't the agreement don't really make sense?
To an extent.
But why are we getting punished for other people's actions?
I think because then it'll show the class what happens next if you're, like, let's say somebody dresses down and then when they're not supposed to, and then the class, they see that, and then so the next time they'll know I'm not going to dress down, or so when my next dress down day.
But that's not discipline towards us because we didn't do anything. We should be able to dress down, and y'all individuals who didn't should be the ones who's getting punished. Am I correct?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you, Aria. Call your next witness, please.
I would like to bring Kayla Bush.
You've already been sworn in. Also, you are still under oath.
So, Kayla Bush, can I ask you a question?
Yeah.
Have you ever gotten out of dress code when you didn't get a pass?
No.
Are you sure?
Yes.
I remember one time you had got out of dress code, am I correct? And we were punished because of you, right?
No.
Yes. Because you decided to wear a dress code, dress down, and you didn't get a dress down day pass.
Do you have evidence to support this?
No, I don't.
If you can find evidence, I would like you to support this before this is over with. Thank you. You may continue.
Okay, so Caleb, because of your decision making, right? He decided that we couldn't get dressed down. Why is that?
Because of my poor decision making.
Correct, but shouldn't you have just been the only one who was punished and wouldn't have worn dress down?
Yes.
So can you tell me why we were punished as well if the students didn't do anything wrong?
Because that was
Objection, Your Honor.
Yes.
Being argumentative.
Okay. Overruled.
Okay. That's what I do that.
If you're done with your witness, you may have a seat. Thank you. Next witness is Aria.
Taylor Willard.
Taylor, as stated earlier, remember that you are still under oath. Your witness.
So, Taylor, you told me that your friend said that you could dress down, right?
Yep.
Can you tell me this friend?
Remember, you are under oath. You are at liberty to tell the truth.
Alright, Aria.
But ain't Ariel the one who dressed down and didn't get a dress down day pass?
Yeah.
So, why would you listen to somebody who didn't even get a dress down day pass?
Because usually she always tell me that do I have a dress down pass or not, so I come like dress down.
Ms. Willard, were you here that day?
No.
So why would you believe what Ariel said if you wasn't here? Do Mr. J give out passes when nobody isn't here?
No.
So you believed Ariel, right? So technically she lied to you.
Objection. She's trying to make evidence. I mean, not evidence. She's trying to testify against something.
Okay. Agreed. Be careful with the way you're phrasing your questions, okay?
Okay.
Thank you.
So didn't she tell you that something that wasn't true?
Yes.
So did you ever see that? So let's say if Cyrus wasn't here, did you ever see someone, he gives someone like Jaheem a dress down day pass? Have you ever seen that?
No.
So you thought it was right to come in dress down, and he didn't give you a pass the next day or nothing?
Yeah.
Okay.
You done?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Any other witnesses, Ms. Tubbs?
No, that's about it.
Okay. Okay, you may be seated, you're fine.
Okay.
We are going to take a 35-minute recess. Court will adjourn at 1:05 or a little later. We will resume at 1:05. Okay?
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay.